Ever eat too fast and suddenly start hiccuping non-stop? Here's the surprising science behind it. When you eat or drink too quickly, you often swallow extra air along with your food. That air can irritate or overstimulate your diaphragm, the muscle that controls your breathing. When the diaphragm spasms, your vocal cords snap shut for a split second, creating that classic hic sound. It's your body's reflex trying to reset your breathing rhythm. So next time you get hiccups after a big meal, slow down and give your diaphragm a break. Follow for more quick science facts about your amazing body.